So most beginners think promoting means posting everywhere and begging people to buy, but that's actually chasing and not attracting. Attraction marketing flips the script. You see, it's not about you convincing people to buy from you. It's about becoming the person people connecting with. If you're showing up consistently, sharing your journey, your lessons, your growth, you're literally attracting people who sees themselves inside you, I can say. They follow you because they connect, not because you sold to them. That's exactly what I learned through my Freedom Formula blueprint. How to build a business that attracts in, not a chase. And I stopped trying to get everyone to buy from me. I just started to say my value, start to say my journey, say value obvious, what I'm learning, my mistakes, and just be me. There's one thing that I can say with you today is people buy trust in transformation and not pressure. So if you are a mom trying to build an income from home, you don't need to sell. You just need a right system. And remember, say your journey, say your mistakes, say your lessons. Just say and just be yourself. And if you want my Freedom Formula blueprint, put a word me in my comments and I would love to see it with you.